Hey, you're getting here at a perfect time. I'm just about to make something very simple, but one of the favorite dishes of the house. And that is steak and baked potatoes with spinach. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just show you the way to make the most perfect baked potato. It works every single time, and it is so simple. My kids call it potato crack. The reason is that the skin becomes so crispy and so a little bit salty, and then just completely soft inside. So hang out with me. Okay, first of all, here's the potato. Step number one: wash the potato. And I just have a little brush that I use to clean my potatoes. It doesn't have to be a huge deal because they're going to get very hot direct heat, but it's nice to get rid of all the stuff that you really don't want to eat. So there you go. And first of all, make sure that the potato is dry. You don't want to be dealing with any wet potatoes. And step number two is get a small fork like this, just a small fork, and punch 4 holes on each side. Okay, holes have been punched, and now a good amount of olive oil. Good amount of olive oil. And then what you do is you just make sure that these potatoes are all covered on both sides. And yeah, I punched those 4 holes on each of them. So just make sure that they're nice and covered with oil. And now you cover with salt. And this, I'm just using some kosher salt. A good amount from a reasonable height so that it gets evenly distributed on both sides. There you go. Okay, and it's ready to go in the oven. The oven has to be preheated for to about 525 if you can, 550 even. A very high heat that you are going to need to use. And the potatoes go in on one of the lower shelves, especially if you're using a convection oven. Here we go. In they go. And guess what? All you got to do now is wait. All you got to do now is wait for an hour. And you can even give them an hour and 15 or an hour and 20. And the potatoes will be fantastic. Huh? How easy is this? And 1 hour later, this is what we have. They are crusty. They're delicious. And I hope you try this recipe out. 1 hour, extremely high heat, oil. Make holes in the potatoes so that the water can escape, and then some salt, and that's it. And just so you know, the companion to this today will be this. And if you come back to the channel, I'll show you how to make these. And then we're having a little spinach on the side. Enjoy.